Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT First Test 2025 Part 1B. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज से KMU-CAT सेकंड टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी शुरू कर लें ताकि बाद में कोई कन्फ्यूजन ना हो. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. शुक्रिया. The process by which a solid changes directly into a gas is called option A, evaporation, B, sublimation, C, condensation, and option D, melting. So the correct option is B, sublimation. Explanation is dry ice CO2 sublimates at room temperature. A bond formed by the sharing of electrons is called option A, ionic bond, B, covalent bond, C, hydrogen bond, and option D, metallic bond. So the correct option is B, covalent bond. So explanation is covalent bonds involve electron sharing between atoms. For example, H2O and CH4. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Atomic radius increases. Option A, across a period. Option B, down a group. Option C, with increasing electronegativity. And option D, with increasing ionization energy. So the correct option is B, down a group. Explanation is more electron shells equal to larger atomic size. NaCl is an example of option A, covalent bond, B, ionic bond, C, metallic bond, and option D, hydrogen bond. So the correct option is B, ionic bond. Formed by electron transfer, which is NaCl. So this is very important MCQs. The solubility of gases in liquids increases with option A, increasing temperature, B, decreasing pressure, C, decreasing temperature, and option D, increasing volume. So the correct option is C, decreasing temperature. Gases dissolve better in cold liquids. So this is very important MCQs. The molar mass of H2SO4 is option A, 49 gram per mole, B, 98 gram per mole, C, 100 gram per mole, and option D, 196 gram per mole. So the correct option is B, 98 gram per mole. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Combustion reactions always produce option A, water, B, CO2, C, both A and B, and option D, oxygen. So the correct option is C, both A and B. Hydrocarbon combustion yields CO2 plus H2O. Beta particles are option A, electrons, B, protons, C, neutrons, and option D, helium nuclei. So the correct option is A, electrons. Beta particles are high energy electrons. Elements in the same group have similar option A, atomic mass, B, chemical properties, C, density, and option D, melting point. So the correct option is B, chemical properties. Same group equal to same valency electrons equal to similar reactivity. So this is very important MCQs. Diamond is an example of option A, ionic solid, B, covalent solid, C, metallic solid, and option D, molecular solid. So the correct option is B, covalent solid. Diamond has a 3D network of covalent C carbon with carbon bonds. The oxidation state of oxygen in H2O2 is option A -2, B -1, C +1, and option D +2. So the correct option is B -1. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. The Tyndall effect is observed is option A, true solutions, B, colloids, C, suspensions, and option D, pure water. So the correct option is B, colloids. Scattering of light by colloidal particles. So this is last MCQs. Delta H is negative for option A, endothermic reactions, B, exothermic reactions, C, both, and option D, none. So the correct option is B, exothermic reaction. Thank you for watching my videos.